All right, YouTube, here is our next project car. It is a 2006 Toyota 4Runner. And on the mileage, on the odometer, it has, well, let me just go ahead and show you. But it is filthy, dirty, and disgusting. We are going to bring it back to life, as I try to do with every car that I interact with. But it has let's see if I can block this for you. 294,000 miles. And it starts right up, and it sounds so smooth. That buzzing sound you heard in the background, I'm not sure what that is, but I don't think it has anything to do with the engine. I think it might have something to do with the AC compressor. So we'll get that figured out. But come with me for the ride. And we'll try and make this look similar to this. Similar, maybe. As for this 4Runner's V6 with 300,000 miles on it, everything seems to be in order. I will have to do a once-over to check everything out, check all my fluids, make sure it's not leaking, make sure nothing is cracked or damaged, address the air filter if it hasn't been, the air intake, and anything else that might potentially be wrong with this. I will check the forums just to make sure. But one thing off the bat, these struts need to be replaced. Otherwise, it could come crashing down on my head one day, and I don't want that to happen. Yeah, but that's something slight, you know, nothing a stick can't handle. But as far as drivability, this thing drives. It will need to have these headlights repaired or replaced, and obviously some paint work. But other than that, this thing drives and it runs and it works because it's a Toyota. So we'll just make it something better.